Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making application that's going to pay you out to literally play games. I'm also going to update you guys on how Gold Chip Fund is doing. So I'm going to show you how you can start making some insane amount of money right now. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the game right here, guys. I'm going to leave the link down in the description, but keep watching this because I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some cryptocurrency. You're going to get led to a page just like this one, and the first thing you have to do is watch an ad, and that is how they make their money. So if they make the money by us watching these ads, then that is perfectly fine with me, so we can get our money from them, guys. So once we're done watching the video, guys, it's going to lead us to the game now. Now look how easy this game is. All you got to do is just tap right here. Just keep on tapping and get some points. So as you can see right here, guys, on the top left hand corner, you can see like this little goldish bar right here and this little slit that's not covered up yet. But once we fill up that slit, guys, we're going to get another 100, or it depends on where you are inside of the country or inside around the world. I'm going to show you how much points I'm going to get, and then on top of that, I'm going to show you payment proof, guys, that this game is working. And after that, guys, I'm going to show you a cool way where you can start to invest your money safely. This is not financial advice, guys. This is just me showing you how I'm going to start to make some money with cryptocurrency. So make sure you keep watching this video. So once we actually get to this part right here, do not actually get these forks on the top of another fork, because and then you're going to lose. So let's just try to be safe and not get those forks right there, guys, so we can get our money. So as you can see, I just got another 100 points right there for filling up that gold bar, and we're about to reach the boss level. So once we reach the boss level, I believe we're going to get half of our bar already filled up quickly, guys. So now, as we can see, we got 800 points right there, guys, on the top left hand corner, as you can see right there. So if you want to cash out, you just got to click on this cash out button right here, and it changes, it varies from different people. So as you can see, the next cash out is going to be in 5 days and 1 hour. So you're gonna have to wait. Once you cash out once, guys, you're gonna have to wait at least a week to cash out the next time, which is not that bad, to be honest, because that gives us a whole week to actually make as much points as possible. Now if we go to the FAQ on this game, so let's go to the FAQ, the help center. You can see right here, guys, it says, be advised, it takes a long time to earn enough bling points to cash out for a meaningful amount of Bitcoin. Most users can earn an amount that is only worth a fraction of a cent. Users can earn bling points each time they play our games, whether they win or lose. The amount of bling points awarded is based on a variety of factors, but is not based on game performance, skill, or chance. We do not accept any deposits in our app purchases from users. So I personally think that waiting a whole week in order to get another payout is perfectly fine with me. So let me show you that payment proof and show you that this application is actually working. As you can see right here, guys, I recently got a deposit of 52 satoshis, and I withdrew as quickly as possible just to show you payment proof, guys, that this game is actually working. So there is your payment proof right there inside of my Coinbase account. You can see that right here. So now let's show you that other application that is going to make you some passive income with dividends, and I believe this is the safest way you can start to make some money with cryptocurrency. So let me show you that website right now, and it's pretty much an update, guys. So this is the update right here on the Gold Chip Fund. I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can start making some money right now. Now, the reason why I'm saying that this is the most safest investment where you can start to make some dividends and actually make some really decent cryptocurrency with Ethereum is because of this verified contract. This verified contract has been audited by hackers, has been audited by people that know how to read the code inside of this contract right here, guys. And the reason why this contract is the best investment that you can actually put your money inside of crypto, and again, this is not financial advice, is because of this contract. Just because people have been audited this contract for years, guys. It's been up for 3 years, and this website has been gone for about 4 times already, guys. So we don't care if this website disappears tomorrow. We don't care if this website disappears right now in front of your eyes. If we have the contract link right here, guys, we can still interact with it. All you have to do is just come over here to the contract, and once you go into the contract, go to write on contract, and you can start to write and connect your own MetaMask account and start to remove your tokens. You can buy more tokens, you can sell your tokens, and you can do anything that you can do on this website. You can do it inside of this contract. And once they actually made this contract, you cannot play with the code anymore. And this is all run off of the Ethereum blockchain. So this is why I believe it's the safest investment that you can start making some money with right now. As you guys see in my previous video, I have invested around $50 inside of this contract, and now it's up to $222 because of dividends. Now, not because of these referrals, guys, and I really appreciate it, but it's not because of these referrals. It is because once you buy in on this contract, you're going to get a 10% dividend distribution. So it's pretty much like a fee, and this 10% gets split in between everybody that is owning some of these tokens. Now, once you sell on this contract, you're going to get another 10% fee taken away, and that 10% fee is going to be split in between everybody that's holding these tokens. This is the reason why this actual contract is the best investment, because people are we're gonna make money while it goes up, we're gonna make money while it goes down, and on top of that, we're gonna make money as Ethereum goes up, which makes the token go up. So we're just gonna be making money 4 different ways for just holding one token that is pretty much Ethereum, guys. So this is the reason why I believe that this website is going to stick around for years to come. If Ethereum goes away, then this contract goes away. But if Ethereum stays, then this contract is just going to keep on making us money and keep on making us dividends. So guys, as you can see how it just dipped a tiny bit right here, it's going to go right back up and possibly dip some more, but I'm just going to keep on holding my tokens and start to make some money with this. So I'm leaving this money and I'm going to try to get this to around 1 ETH and leave it there and try to grow it to 2 ETH, and then from 2 ETH grow to 5, and then from 5 to 10 to 100, and just start to take out money from my dividends and never taking out my initial investment on this website, guys. Because if we hold all of these tokens, we're just gonna start to take out money like crazy and start to get some free cash flow from this website. Go. So as you can see, somebody just got through spending 0.06 Ethereum and bought in some tokens. So in a couple of minutes, this price is going to go up, and I'm just going to start to get some more dividends inside of this account and start to make some money, guys. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. You can actually deposit money inside of here and withdraw. So now let's withdraw $15 from this account. So I'm going to withdraw it to this account on my MetaMask wallet, and then I'm going to reinvest inside of here just so I can buy low and then get some more money as it goes up. So as you can see, it just got through hitting my MetaMask account, and now it's stuck at 0 right here in the dividends, which is totally fine with me because I'm going to reinvest right now while it dipped a little. So I'm going to reinvest just in case it goes right back up, and I'm going to make even more money from it. So now let's actually buy in some more tokens right now. So let me see how much money I have in Ethereum, which is like $14 or 13 around there, guys. So let this number just change really quick. So as you can see, I have $16 inside of this account, so that's 0.06 Ethereum right there. So now let me see how much I can get from that. The more I invest inside of this, the better, but I would not recommend you guys investing over and over and over again, because you're just going to get 10% taken away every single time you buy in and you sell. So just wait till your dividends hit your initial investment, which is going to be 1 ETH, and then you can choose to take out the money or reinvest your money back inside of this platform and get your money back double the speed. So that's a cool strategy that you can use right now to start making some money with this website right here, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in 6 Ethereum or 0.06 Ethereum and get 3 tokens just to just to use up all of the Ethereum as much as possible, so I can get as much money as I can and start to reinvest this money as time goes on, guys. So this was just a little update showing you how this actual website works and how you can deposit money and reinvest your money inside of this website, and give you a strategy on how you can start to get some money. So as you can see, my money just got through getting put in on the actual website itself now. So I'm going to start to make some more money from this and start to get those dividends even higher, guys. So this is a cool website. I believe it's going to stick around for quite some time. It has been around since 2018, guys. And I would recommend you guys not caring if this website disappears. As long as we have access to this contract, we are fine, guys. Is I have recently just made this Discord channel for all of us to come together as a community and start talking about money making methods and money making applications and everything money, guys. I want to start helping you guys out with the motivation to get started making money as well. So I have its own little channel inside of this Discord, so you can start learning and getting motivational quotes and motivational videos right here, and so you can start to change the way you think and eventually possibly be this billion-dollar guy right here called or named Dan Pena. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.